If you want to connect JBL Charge 6 into the mobile application on Android or iOS, then first of all you will have to turn on speaker, enter for the pairing mode by clicking on the Bluetooth button. Now the speaker gonna starts blinking, the icon starts blinking and the speaker gonna make sound. You will have to go into settings on your phone, go into Bluetooth settings, select pair new device, and select JBL Charge 6 from available devices list and accept pairing request on Android devices. On iPhone, you don't have to actually do this. It will be connected automatically. Now go to the Google Play Store and download the JBL Portable application, select install. Now just wait a little bit until the application will be downloaded. So it will take around a few seconds, and after that will be almost automatically connected. So you have to open this application. For sure it's available on the App Store and Play Store. Now after this loading screen, we have to click to get started, accept terms and agreements, and click allow for all pop-up permissions and notifications. As you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected.